Here's how you can make bacon. So we can't really eat this now because we're fasting. Which part of the animal is this from?
It's beef navel, right from the belly.
What's the first step?
Inject it with brine. Yeah, this is all the salt and the spices. So now we throw it inside the tumbler, and this will remove all the air, get it all inside the cells, fill it up so it stays juicy. It'll massage, it'll mix, it'll suck everything in. You're good to go right into the smokehouse. So this is where the wood chips go. This is beech wood and hickory wood. These are called bacon hooks, especially engineered to hang up bacon. Our temperature, it goes between 99 degrees and it goes down consistently all the way down to 65 degrees for about 8 hours. And then cool it down overnight, throw it on the slicer, slice it up.
That's what it looks like, a tree. What's in there?
So I gave you the gloves.
Nice.
Ooh, you can eat it too.
Alright, I'm home and the sun has set. Let's give it a try. It's really meaty, fatty, and just pure beef flavor. Beef. Beef bacon, FYI. You think I'm eating anything else but beef? What do you think I'm eating? Solid. I'm giving that a 9.1 out of 10.